Ahoj, welcome to lesson 2 of Czech with Katerina. I'm a teacher of Czech for foreigners and this is a course designed to get you from 0 to level A1 in Czech. In this lesson we will study together the basic conversation in Czech. For example, how to greet, how to apologize, how to ask a simple question, and also what to say when you're departing. So, are you ready to learn? Take a pen, print out the handout from the link down below, and let's get started. Check out the exercise number 1 in your handout. Listen and repeat what these people say. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Promiňte. To nic. Mluvíte anglicky? Ne, omlouvám se. Naschledanou. Naschledanou. Now, check out the exercise number 2 in your handout. Listen and repeat what these people say. Ahoj. Ahoj. Promiň, mluvíš anglicky? Ano. Jak se řekne česky thank you? Děkuju. Děkuju. Není zač. Měj se hezky. Ty taky. Did you notice what was the difference between these two exercises and these two groups of mini dialogues? Yeah, that's right. The first one was formal conversation, while the second was informal. Now take your handout and go to the exercise number 3. There you will find the English translations to all the Czech sentences from the previous exercise. Try to match the correct English translation with its respective formal and informal Czech version. Pause the video and give yourself a minute to finish this exercise. After you're done, come back and you will be able to correct your answers with me. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Promiňte. To nic. Mluvíte anglicky? Ne, omlouvám se. Naschledanou. Naschledanou. Ahoj. Ahoj. Promiň, mluvíš anglicky? Ano. Jak se řekne česky thank you? Děkuju. Děkuju. Není zač. Měj se hezky. Ty taky. Great! Now you know the correct translations of all these sentences. In the next exercise, you shall practice reacting to these sentences. In your handout, go to the exercise number 4. Pause the video to give yourself a minute and try connecting each sentence with the correct reaction. After you come back, you will see the answers. Check your answers now. Did you manage to get all of them right? Well done. And now a piece of information. It is important to use the correct form, either formal or informal, according to the situation you're in. Now, let's try to do the exercise number 5 in your handout. Pause the video one more time and sort the sentences according to the situations, either to the formal or to the informal group. Let's now practice the pronunciation of these sentences. Read them as they appear on the screen, and after you shall hear it to check your pronunciation. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Promiňte. To nic. Mluvíte anglicky? Ne, omlouvám se. Naschledanou. Naschledanou. Ahoj. Ahoj. Promiň, mluvíš anglicky? Ano. Jak se řekne česky thank you? Děkuju. Děkuju. Není zač. Měj se hezky. Ty taky. Let's now do together the final exercise of your handout. Exercise number 6. You see there only the reactions to your sentence. Pause the video again and try to write down the sentence that is missing. There will be more possibilities, but one of the correct answers will appear on the screen after you put the video back on, so you can correct yourself. How do you feel? Do you think you already learned how to communicate in these situations? Okay, now the final challenge. You will see and hear a sentence and you will have a chance to react to it with an answer. The correct answer will appear in few seconds. Here we go. Dobrý den. Ahoj. Naschledanou. Promiň, mluvíš anglicky? Jak se řekne česky thank you? Měj se hezky. Promiňte. Děkuju. Okay, well done. Congratulations, you completed another Czech lesson today. Do you feel like you need more practice to remember the sentences and to know how to pronounce and understand them well? In that case, there is a homework, again, prepared on the online memory tool. You can find all the sentences you learned today, the link for it down below. Hear them again and practice writing and telling them, and of course, remembering the meaning. If you have any more doubts about the practice, feel free to try to do all the exercises in this video again after learning on the online memory tool. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will also love all your feedback for this course so far. If you liked the lesson, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe not to miss any of my future lessons. With that said, have a great day. Keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you in the next lesson.